kettlebell or dumbbell thruster, as I like to call it. We're going to need a dumbbell or equally a kettlebell. I only have one of each at home, but you can also do it with one in each hand if you so wish. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the weight and you're going to hold it as if you're doing a goblet squat, just here in this position, and then all we're going to do is we squat down with it like so, and then as we come up we raise the weight above our head. Now excuse me for not using proper tempo, it's just I'm scared of putting a hole in the wall due to being 6'4". So let me show you that again. You come down and up like so, like so, like so, and that is a thruster. Now a lot of people when they do this exercise, I see they do this. They'll come down and then they'll come up to here and then they'll start lifting the weight above their head. Now I prefer to generate the energy required for the overhead press from the low point of the squat. So I'd initiate coming down, I'd already initiate moving it up above my head before I've even got to full extension out of the squat. And it's exactly the same with a kettlebell. You come down and then you come up like so. Or you can hold it here like this. We'll come down and then we put it up above our head like so, doing a unilateral squat thruster. And just do a couple on the other side. Like so, just for balance. And that is a squat thruster.